that these days actors go out of their way to promote their films, here's another lot who has left no stone unturned. Well, we're talking about the Rowdy Rathors. Recently, Khiladi Kumar and his co-stars were seen promoting their film Rowdy Rathor by organizing an auto rickshaw race. And the winner of the race surprisingly turned out to be Sonakshi Sinha, who claimed to be a bigger rowdy than Salman or Akshay.
Who's more rowdy in real life? कौन ज़्यादा rowdy है? मैं हूँ.
But when it was time for Sonakshi to actually present a stunt to prove her rowdiness, this babe cleverly passed the ball to Aki's court.
वो निकला है अभी चमक छल्लो छेल छबीली. उस गाने में उन्होंने मुझे उठाया है. अब वो इतना बड़ा स्टंट है. अरे तो अब We can play the song.
मैंने इनसे बड़े सोनाक्षी को उठाया मैंने. जैसे कि मैंने अंडरटेकर को उठाया हुआ है. और तो मतलब सोनाक्षी उनके सामने तो एक छोटी सी कली है. तो मुझे नहीं लगता ये इतना बड़ा स्टंट था.
And that's not all. Here Aki was seen praising Sonakshi a lot, in fact even more than Salman.
सोनाक्षी एक एक्चुअली बहुत ही सीधी लड़की है. काम करती है, चले जाती है, सुबह आती है सही वक्त पे चले जाती है. शी इज वेरी प्रोफेशनल. तो वो इन सम प्रैंक्सिंग और ये प्रैंकिंग एनीवन, bullying anyone, I have never seen her doing it.
And if Aki couldn't stop praising Sonakshi so much, how could she lag behind?
कभी-कभी मुझे अलग-अलग नामों से बुलाना चालू हो जाते हैं. इनको मेरा नाम याद नहीं आता तो कभी मुझे सुदर्शन बुला देते, कभी मुझे फिरोज बुला देते, कभी मुझे शांतिलाल बुला देते. तो ये सबसे राउडी चीज जो है उन्होंने की है.
Well, was that really praising or leg pulling? Only Sonakshi knows. But one thing's for sure, that Sonakshi is completely turning out to be like Salman while interacting with the media. And even her answers remind us of Sallu. And when she was asked as to who does she find more rowdier between Salman or Akshay, this is what she had to say.
Who's more rowdy in real life? कौन ज़्यादा rowdy है? मैं हूँ.
Well, this event was all about the rickshaw ride, which was flagged by Akshay, Sonakshi and Prabhudeva. But the most interesting visual was when Aki jumped from one jeep to the other, which left everyone stunned. But there was one wish of this Rowdy Rathor which could not be fulfilled, and that was to ride the rickshaw.
उन्होंने मुझे बोला था कि जीप के अंदर खड़े रहने के लिए. एक्चुअली मैं वो जीप के अंदर जब बैठा हुआ था, मैंने कई बार बोला मुझे भी ऑटो रिक्शा दो, मैं भी चलाना चाहता हूँ. बट मैं भी शायद जाते वक्त दे देंगे मेरे हाथ में ऑटो रिक्शा. और मेरे पास शायद लाइसेंस भी नहीं है ऑटो रिक्शा के, तो इसलिए नहीं दिया होगा.
Well, Aki, we hope you never have to take an auto rickshaw license ever. In any case, when Salman doesn't care to take a license for riding a rickshaw, why would you need to worry? After all, you're the original rowdy, right?